Professor Emeritus Peeter Saari was the head of Laboratory of Physical Optics in the Institute of Physics of the University of Tartu, Estonia, for many decades. Has also served as the director of the institute in 1981 to 1988. He graduated cum laude from the University of Tartu in 1968 with a major in theoretical physics. He received his PhD from the University of Tartu in 1972 and DSc from the Institute of Physics of the Estonian Academy of Sciences in 1980. He is a Fellow of OPTICA, formerly the Optical Society of America, and an elected member of the Estonian Academy of Sciences and of the European Academy of Sciences. His research interests have included solid-state and chemical physics, ultrafast phenomena, and physical optics. He has authored or co-authored about 200 scientific journal papers, book chapters, conference publications, and patents.